I can't believe this. Who would do such a thing? Oh no, Bluey. Everything is ruined.
Wait, I hear something. Someone is still munching.
Hey, Yellowy. What are you doing? You ate all my cupcakes?
Oh, hi, friends. Poppy, I'm so sorry. The cupcakes were just so yummy. But don't worry, we can make new ones. Let's do it together. Hello, friends. Do you remember last time when I accidentally ate all of Poppy's muffins? Oops. Well, today I'm going to fix that by making something even better. A pancake shaped like a unicorn. Yes, really. Let's do it. We take blue and purple Play-Doh and mix it into one big colorful pancake. Now, let's add some green Play-Doh to make the unicorn's ears. And of course, we need a red horn. Every real unicorn has a magical horn, right? What's missing? That's right, colorful eyes. Look at these silly eyes. Now, to make our unicorn even happier, a big smiling mouth. There, this unicorn looks super happy. What do you think, friends? Do you like my unicorn pancake? I hope I made up for what I did last time.
Hi everyone, I'm Riddy, and today, I'm making a magical muffin. Let's get started. First, I grab my favorite color, bright red, because I'm a firefighter, of course. We put the red Play-Doh into our muffin mold and press down really hard. Voila! Look at that, an awesome muffin. It looks so tasty, but wait, it needs decorations. Let's sprinkle on some sparkly, colorful flowers. Hop, hop, hop. Now we add even more. Purple, blue, see-through, golden. So many beautiful flowers. Wow, this is the most amazing muffin ever. Just look at it. It's almost too pretty to eat. Almost. Yum, 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 yum. See you next time, friends.
I'm going to use this pink glittery Play-Doh. Look how it sparkles. It's half white, half pink, just like a real unicorn magic swirl. It smells so good. I could eat it right now. Let's take our cupcake mold and fill it with the pink and white mix. We press it down really hard and ta-da! Look how beautiful it is. But wait, let's decorate it even more. I take some white glittery Play-Doh and put it into our frosting press. Squeeze it out from the top. Woo, it looks amazing, just like whipped cream. Now we make the ears and the horn. I put blue Play-Doh in the mold. Press, hop, ears are ready. We place them in the right spot, and now, yellow Play-Doh for the horn. Squeeze it tight and done! Let's add 3 shiny stars. Look how it sparkles! A real happy unicorn! Hey, this is a real sweet unicorn! I'm so happy! And one last touch. Big sparkly eyes,